dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your English class. And students, today's topic is password. Page number 52, 56 and 57. So let's start our class. Students, look at the board. This is page number 52. In this page we will learn different types of foods. In the previous class also we learned some foods, and today also we will learn different types of foods and drinks also. At first, this is tea. T-E-A-T. 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 Then coffee. C-O-F-F-E. Coffee. C-O-F-F-E. Coffee. C-O-F-F-E. Coffee. This is water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Then this is ice cream. I-C-E. Ice. C-R-E-A-M. Cream. Ice cream. I-C-E. Ice. C-R-E-A-M. Cream. Ice cream. Now this is, just look, here is a basket, and in the basket lots of fruits are seen. So these are fruits. F-R-U-I-T-S. Fruits. F-R-U-I-T-S. Fruits. And these are vegetables. V-E-G-E. Veggie. T-A-B-L-E-S. Tables. Vegetables. V-E-G-E. Veggie. T-A-B-L-E-S. Tables. Vegetables. V-E-G-E. Veggie. T-A-B-L-E-S. Tables. Vegetables. Now sugar. S-U-G-A-R. Sugar. S-U-G-A-R. Sugar. S-U-G-A-R. Sugar. Salt. S-A-L-T. Salt. S-A-L-T. Salt. S-A-L-T. Salt. Students, that means these are different types of foods, and you have to know the names. Actually, you have to know the names, different types of foods names. That's why these are given. Now page number is 56. This is page number 56. Different types of things are seen here. At first, this is a tree. A tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. A sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Beans. B-E-A-N-S. Beans. Green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. A leaf. L-E-A-F. Leaf. Beards. B-E-A-D-S. Beards. Now bees. B-E-E-S. Bees. A beak. B-E-A-K. Beak. Tea. T-E-A-T. Feet. F-E-E-T. Feet. A jeep. J-E-E-P. Jeep. Peas. P-E-A-S. Peas. Now page number 7, and this is actually important for you. Just look here, in this page we will learn some words with R, S and T, and 4 words are given here, and are for a rat. R-A-T. Rat. Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. A rupee. R-U-P-E-E. Rupee. A rose. R-O-S-E. Rose. So R for rat, rabbit, rupee, rose. Now S. A star. S-T-A-R. Star. A stick. S-T-I-C-K. Stick. The sun. S-U-N. Sun. Soap. S-O-A-P. Soap. So S for star, stick, sun, soap. Now T. A tap. T-A-P. Tap. A table. T-A-B-L-E. Table. A tomato, T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. And a tiger, T-I-G-E-R, tiger. So T for tab, table, tomato and tiger. Students, you have to learn this. Any two, you have to learn any two words with each letters. Students, that's all for today. See you in the next class, inshallah. Stay safe, stay well, take care. Allah Hafiz.